So you've been thinking about launching an educational YouTube channel, huh? Maybe you're fired up to share your knowledge, but there's a little voice in your head whispering, can I really do this? What if no one watches? Well, let me tell you something. You can. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the 5 best tips that successful creators wish they knew when they started. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be itching to hit that upload button. Let's start with tip number 1. Narrow your niche. Most educational channels fail because they try to teach everything to everyone. And when you talk to everyone, you talk to no one. Instead, focus on a specific niche where your passion and expertise meet. Ask yourself, what do I know deeply that others are desperate to learn? Maybe it's biology with a twist of humor, or personal finance with real-world hacks. Your niche is the foundation that will keep your audience coming back, and it helps you stand out in a crowded space. And hey, don't be that person trying to explain quantum physics and how to bake a perfect pie in the same video. Unless you're Einstein with a rolling pin, it just won't work. Now, tip 2, create consistently, but here's the catch. You can't just upload and hope. You need a schedule. Yes, it's that simple, but guess what? Most new YouTubers skip this part. They post sporadically and wonder why no one is sticking around. Building an audience is like watering a plant. They need to know when you're going to show up. But what's more important than just showing up? What makes people stay when they land on your video? That's where we dive into the next crucial tip. Tip 3, make your content engaging. You could have the most valuable information in the world, but if it's boring, no one will stay long enough to hear it. Mix up your delivery, use visuals, tell stories, throw in a little surprise now and then. Just think, how many times have you clicked off a video after 2 minutes because the creator sounded like a robot reading a textbook? Honestly, ever sat through a video that felt like a lullaby? Don't be that channel. Next, tip 4, optimize for search. This one is a game changer. YouTube is a search engine, and understanding what your audience is searching for is critical. Use specific keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. But here's the twist. Don't just keyword stuff. YouTube's algorithm is smarter than that, and so are your viewers. Instead, ask yourself, what problem am I solving, and how can I position my video as the answer? But even with great content and search optimization, you still need one more thing to really hit the mark. You'll want to listen closely for this final tip. It's the one that separates the amateurs from the pros. Tip 5, build a community, not just a following. Numbers are nice, but loyal viewers are what make your channel thrive. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and create a dialogue with your audience. The more they feel like they're part of something, the more they'll come back and bring others with them. Because guess what? Right now, someone else is starting a YouTube channel in your niche. The only difference between their success and yours is how quickly you can build a community that feels connected to you. So there you have it, the 5 best tips to kickstart your educational YouTube channel. Narrow your niche, stay consistent, engage your viewers, optimize for search, and most importantly, build a community. But hold on, before you rush off to brainstorm your first video idea, there's one more thing you need to know. If you want to keep your viewers hooked and coming back for more, you'll need to master the art of memory. That's right, making people remember you is key, and I've got just the video for you. Check out my next one on how to remember anything for a long time. Click right here, and let's make sure your content is unforgettable.